Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 330 or Damage and Obstruction to Means of Communication. Under Article 330, damage and obstruction to means of communication is committed by any person who shall damage any railway, telegraph, or telephone lines. Ito ay isang krimen na nagagawa ng isang taong sisira ng riles, telegraph, or telephone lines. Paano pag sinira yung riles tapos dumaan ngayon ang tren? Dahil may sira yung riles, na aksidente po yung tren at namatay yung taong nasa loob. Ano ang liability? Dalawa po ang liability niya: damage and obstruction to means of communication with a higher penalty. Tapos reckless imprudence resulting in homicide and damage to property doon sa nangyari sa tren at namatay dahil sa accident. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.